Hey everyone, so today I'm doing this look, and if you like it then please subscribe, and if not then I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm just taking the PLouise base and just patting it all around my eye. I'm going in with a navy colour and just taking that on the outer corner of my eye and midway over just above the crease. And with the edges of it, just gently pull up product so then it's easier to blend out. And taking the lighter blue and just go over the edge of that. And it's just small circular motions, and I'm barely touching the skin. And then I just take a clean brush and just go around the edges of the light blue just to make sure that's nice and faded into the skin instead of harsh. I'll go back with the PLouise base and cut our crease. I'm just using the concealer brush I already used for the eye base.
You look nice.
Huh?
You look nice.
Thank
you recording?
Yes. I can't even see. I can't see at all. So I can't look how close this mirror is to me. I can't see. Anyway. Right, taking that navy again and just going to the side. Then going in with the light blue and just going over the navy again. Right, taking Peaches and Cream Prin Pigment. I'm just going to put that round where I cut the crease. I'm taking the same shader brush as before, just putting a bit of navy and then the blue under. Now eyelashes, just apply some glue, let it dry for a few seconds and then stick it on. We'll be done in 5 minutes. We'll be done in 5 minutes. If you want. As long as you make the tea. Blackmail. Okay, so I'm going to put on the Ultra Strobe Cream by Makeup Revolution as my base. And for foundation today, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It is in the shade 2C1 Pure Beige. And to be honest, the woman was actually trying to get me to go for an even darker one in the shop, and no. I ended up with this one because it was a shade, it's either a shade or 2 shades lighter than what she recommended, and I still think it's pretty dark anyway. but it does oxidize, so it does get a bit darker. And this literally smells like, I don't know, like a banana kind of smell to it. I think I used this in one of my really old videos. But yeah, I don't even bother putting any concealer or anything underneath this because it is full coverage and you just don't need it. And for my powder, as usual, it is the RCMA No Colour powder. It is my favourite and I will forever say that in every video. I just put this all around my face, setting everything. So then my Hoola Benefit Bronzer for contour, and I just pat that on and gently blend it up. Bronzer, Give Me Sun, MAC Give Me Sun. I'm just using that as my blusher as well today. The Barry M Matte Me Up liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Nude. Just let that dry. While that's drying, I'm going to go on and do my highlight. Okay, so that is me done for my little blue oceany kind of thing. Ooh, ocean. Okay, so actually, oh, I just had foundation left on my hand, which is now on my table. Yay! Okay. Okay, so that is me done now for this look, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please, if you have enjoyed this look or you like this look, then please subscribe and like and comment, all that stuff.